at the bottom right hand corner of the part. I'm by no means being accurate here, guys. I'm just getting close. Everybody agrees if I use an edge finder I'd be much more accurate, but that pretty much the center of the spindle is at the bottom right hand corner of my part, right? So if that were my part program 0, that's where I wanted to program from, I could actually set a G55 by hitting underneath the F4 button. Part 0 set tells me how far away from home my X is in part program 0. If I go back to my position screen, where am I at in X? Minus 5 1/4 inches. If I go to my offset, 5 1/4 inches. Same thing in Y. My Y is minus 9 inches 180 thousandths away from home. Now let me show you how this works. I'm going to go to MDI, guys. I'm going to write myself a line of code. G-O. Huh? G-O-O. G-O. Rapid travel. G-90.
G54.
Huh? G55. X0, Y0. What am I telling it here, guys? In rapid travel, absolute programming mode, with my G55 active, move to my program X0, Y0. I'm going to insert that with an end of block insert, and I'm going to hit cycle start. I just moved back to where I told the machine my program 0 was at. That's how you set a fixture offset. Now, if I were to take that tool, I'm going to write another line of code, G43, add the offset in a positive direction, H1, using height offset number 1, go to Z 1 inch above the part. End of block insert, cycle start, comes down to 1 inch above my part program 0 and Z. I sent it to 1 inch with height offset number 1 active. You like? Does seeing it help a little bit?
Oh, yeah.
If we were to look, guys, I sent it to 1 inch positive. If we go to my position screen and I go to all, my work G55 is active. Where am I at in Z?
1 inch.
Where am I at on my machine? You remember our offset? 11.222? It went to a machine position of minus 10.222. Because I told it to go 1 inch positive in Z, it took 1 inch off of that big negative, and that's the location that it went to.
So you don't have to put Z0 on your G55 because you already put it in your height offset?
Right. I don't have to have an offset in my 55 for Z because I'm controlling it with my tool length offsets. And that way I can use my G55 Z. I can adjust all of my tools up and down, can't I? See, if I put a minus 10 thousandths in G55Z, all of my tools are going to go 10 thousandths farther down because I just shifted them 10 thousandths in the Z minus direction. So if I don't clean up during a facing operation, I don't want to just move my facing tool down because then all of my other tools will be shallow, won't it? Because I'll be taking more material off the top of that part, and all of my tools, all of my other tools will be positive from where they were touched off by 10. So if I move all of my tools down 10 thousandths or 20 or whatever it takes to qualify that face, then all of my feature heights are going to come with me. How do you like it? Understandable? There's going to be questions, guys. There's going to be times when the physical buttons to push is going to get aggravating. It's going to change from one machine to the next. The offset tables are going to change. Tool offsetting methods are going to change. But the gist of it is, guys, you understand what a tool offset